So today I'm going to have a go at making my own lava lamps, and I've seen this all over Facebook and social media, people doing this, so I really wanted to have a go. And it's inspired by my friend Kate as well, because she did this with her kids and it looked amazing. So, fingers crossed, because my last science experiment did not go so well. So let's see if we can do it. So we need some warm water. I'm going to fill the glass about 3/4 of the way. I really hope this will work. Okay. So when we've got our glass filled, we're going to add some sunflower oil. So I'm going to add a little bit there. Ooh. Okay. So I've added my sunflower oil, and now we put some food colouring in. So I'm going to do two. I'm going to do this one with red, so apparently you just add a few drops into it. Oops, that was more than a few drops. Gee, I'm so heavy-handed. Okay. Maybe I'll pour it in the cap. Okay. That's better. That, I do not know how that one was going to come out, but time will tell. Why am I so heavy-handed? Okay, so what has happened to the red one? Now we put this stuff in it, what's it called? Some sterilant, I've forgotten the actual name. So if you can see, I've got my two here. So there's either two versions of it. There's one that you cut it up into little parts and it'll fizz up. Two just normal. So I'm going to drop it in. I'm going to see which one is the better one. So hopefully, when we do this, it will work. Time will tell. I mean, this one has gone really well. This one is kind of curdled a little bit. I don't think you can do that. I like it. I like it. I like how it's a green. Okay, so that is my really quick science experiment. This is lava lamps. Oh, it's really warm. If you want to find out and make your own lava lamps and make your own version of this, you can go on to natalieeaglen.com. It's in the home life section.